What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we got a busy day. I'm working on my cousin's garage today. We are grinding the concrete floors down, make them smoother, get all the cracks and gaps out of it, and we're going to seal it. I don't know if we'll seal it today or not, but it's going to be a jam-packed day. So let's get to it.
We lost fuel pressure. I smell fuel.
Right.
Oh boy. So that happened.
2 for 2?
Yeah. Okay, let's see if I can roll it. I smell fuel bad.
Right.
GPS connected.
Won't let me get in neutral. Yeah, we lost fuel.
You think,
I think a line popped.
right? That's kind of what it smells. Oh, yeah, we're draining.
Bad.
Up front. Up front. Yep.
The keys are in. Nope, my keys are in the car. Be on this side. I've got his phone.
Oh, shit.
It's right here. Fuel line's off.
Fuel lines off?
See it. I can get to it. I think I can fix it.
Yeah.
His phone's ringing. Let's see a picture of this motherfucker. It's right here. I think I can fix it. Just make sure I don't get hit by a goddamn car.
Yeah.
That's the only thing I'm scared of right now. You put a light on there just like take a picture.
Yeah, we got a semi coming.
Alright, let's get out of the road. Picture can wait for a second. All the way over. Let's get over here. Come on, Trey. I can see it. It's literally the high pressure line is disconnected. Good news is I can fix it. Yeah, so high pressure was literally dumping fuel. Just gotta get to the bench. I need a light all the way back to just a little further. I'm on it now. Come on, get on there. I'm like on the rail now. That was the right noise. All right, we should have fuel. So on my finger.
I don't have to. I already smell. I smell everything.
That's
Yeah. That's not cool. That wasn't cool at all.
not at all. Not even a little cool.
Gotta make sure to get all that fuel off the bottom of it.
Ain't got no gas in it.
Oh my god.
The fucking flames are dope.
Yeah. From this point of view, you can watch the heat come out of the exhaust and the like car gets blurry in front of us. And then once you like let off, you can see it clean air.
Oh, Kirsten just said no, you've been on the same spot on the road for, she's watching him. That's hilarious. At least your wife checked on you.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird she's following you like that tight.
Yeah, dude.
We weren't there that long, were we?
No.
I thought it was a pretty fast fix.
Yeah. You've been in the same spot of the road for longer than 5 minutes.
Yeah. So much better. Oh, I love it. Okay, wait, do it again without me talking. I'm gonna poop my pants. Got that part.
Yeah. I wish I had your face in that one. Like.
I don't think I'm over him now.
I love it.
She's geeking.
Oh, it was close.
How about now?
You need like 3 more.